The Wisconsin Supreme Court says Democratic leaders moved improperly when they took Representative Dean Phillips, his name off the Democratic primary ballot. The court ruled today, allowing the U.S. congressman to add his name to the primary ballot. The ruling says the Presidential Selection Committee didn't properly exercise their discretion by taking Phillips' name off without a discussion in a 5-minute meeting early last month. Now, Representative Phillips and Joe Biden are the only Democrats on the April 2nd primary ballot.